Today we have a 2008 Southwestern Industries track TRL1840SX CNC lathe with the Prototrak SLX CNC control system on it. At this time I will jog the axis motors with the jog stick, and I will start the spindle up and run it through a couple of RPM ranges in high and in low. Jog the axis. We also have the electronic hand wheels, feet, and we can start the spindle. 500 RPM. 1500 RPM. Max spindle speed 2500 RPM. Shift into low gear selection. Run at 250 starting speed. And then we'll go to max spindle speed 850 in low range. For all the machine specifications and control options, please visit our eBay store where this machine is listed for sale at Select Machine on eBay. And we thank you for viewing.